Now with the banjo hung up, I'm not too sure what else we're gonna be doing today, guys. Yeah, it's wet outside. Got a little bit moist last night, but we'll see. We can come up with something, I think. Maybe go hop in some puddles and do some backflips and shit. Although I can't really do a backflip, so that might turn out worse than I expect. But anyways, let me tell you guys a little bit about me, about the channel. This is North of Sane. We build it, we break it, we rip it apart, we sell it, we do just about anything you can think of, really. Not everything, but just about anything. Oh shit, that's terrible lighting. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing all sorts of stuff. Be showing you off-road content, welding. We make barbecues, custom barbecues. That's a bit of a early and new venture for me, but I do have a channel up for that as well, Northern Heat Barbecue. You guys can check that out if you like custom welding, fabrication, just anything to do with heavy metal and fabrication. That's where I'm going to be posting all that kind of stuff. And yeah, just gonna be tapping into my daily life and sharing it with you guys, basically. It's not too crazy right now, not too eventful, but hoping to get into some interesting ventures and projects here in the near future, and I'm gonna definitely be sharing that with you guys, and hopefully you guys can enjoy that and maybe learn a thing or two, or even just have a good video to watch and enjoy. So stay tuned. This is North of Sane.